Hi, welcome to another class in React. Today we're going to see about components topic. This is a super important topic because React is component based. So I'm going to explain what is components. Let's see this example is the Facebook interface. Well, here we have a header where you have a search input and some icons, your username. You have a banner with your photo and some buttons. Then you have this section like about page. You have a section about maybe your friends. Here you have um, like the post section, which is very common, and you see it a lot in every page of Facebook. So you'll have to see every app you make like a division of sections, but they are not sections, they are components. So this will be a component where, because you will have to use it in every other page of Facebook or your app. You'll have this banner component and this other, for example, post component, because you'll reuse it in almost every page of your app. So with that in mind, you'll have to make a file called components, and you'll make a component file header. To identify is a component, you'll have to use uppercase to begin. Maybe you'll have to make a main component for the body, maybe like a footer, maybe post. Okay, to make this work, we're going to need some snippets, some uh, extensions to make this more simple for us. We're going to install this extension to make it more readable. You put here install. I have installed it. Okay, then you're going to install ES7 snippets. You'll put here install, maybe simple React snippets. This is what we want also to make our work more easy. We have this also, and maybe an extension for Redux install. Okay, so now we have some snippets that are going to help us to make this more easy. For example, in the header, you have to export React from React, but and then you have to make a function component like this: header, return, all of that. Maybe here export default header, and you have to export it so you can use it in your app. But let's make this more simple just by putting RAFCE, and this will make all this easier for you. Here, for example, we will want like a title for your app, maybe Facebook, and the way to import it in your app is like this: header, because we have some snippets you can use this way to im- import it in a more easy way. You erase the last letter and put R, and here it's going to appear like an option to import it. Let's save it and let's see our app. Okay, it is working fine. It is exporting our our header and is showing in our app. Let's try another section like the main, and okay, here maybe posts, and you have to know that you can put a component in another component and in another component. So here we can put like a component called post, this component. So let's make this also, and here you have like a description, an image, but we're not going to put it. Maybe some comments. And to put it here, we do the same, post and import it. And then we have to import this main section into here, just like we have done before. Okay, let's save, and there we're because this is a component that we can reuse a lot, we just simply copy this and paste it here, and you see that it is repeating itself in an easy way. But you will not want to make like this by hand. You'll have like a array of posts, and you'll map it. But we're going to see that later. Maybe we can practice with footer and make this, or rise reserve. This footer we can import it in our app here down below. And we import it, and you'll see it's down below. Okay, that's it for our component lesson. Thanks for watching.